Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an airport lounge. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two coworkers and the lounge staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. When your flight is delayed, who inside the lounge can give you a new flight? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Erin, stop here for a minute.
Why? Our gate is that way.
I know, but we have 3 hours. Look at that small sign on the wall.
Lounge. Is that a room?
It's a room for travelers. We can sit inside and wait there.
Wait, can I go in? I don't have a ticket for that.
You have a ticket, you have your boarding pass, and I have my card.
What card?
This one. I pay for it every year, and it lets me go into these lounges.
And me?
You come in with me. You're my guest.
Am I allowed to do that? I don't want a problem at the door.
You're allowed. 1 guest is fine. Just show your boarding pass.
Okay. Is the food free? I only have a little money with me.
Almost everything inside is free. The food, the coffee, the water, the chairs, the tables.
That sounds too good.
There's one problem. Going in is easy. Finding a seat is the hard part.
Really? How big is it?
It's big, but it's always full. Look through the glass.
Oh, wow. Every chair has a person in it.
I told you.
You know, I always thought a place like this was for presidents and big bosses.
A lot of people think that.
Old movies, big chairs, quiet men in dark suits.
That was true a long time ago. Now many people have a card like mine, so everybody comes here.
So the door is open, but the chairs are gone.
That's the new problem. Some days they say, "Sorry, we're full," and they don't let you in.
Then let's go now. Oh no.
What?
My phone, 9%.
Where's your charger?
In my big bag, and my big bag is with the checked bags already.
Then you need a seat with a plug.
Now I really want to go in. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you are. And my friend has a card. He's right behind me. Is that okay?
That's fine. 1 card, 2 people. You're his guest today.
Great. This is my first time in a lounge, so please tell me if I do something wrong.
Don't worry, it's easy. Let me scan this.
Sure.
Okay, you leave at 4:10 this afternoon, gate B6. Is that right?
Yes, 4:10. How do you know that from a little piece of paper?
The scanner reads it. Your name, your flight, your time, it's all on my screen here.
You can see all of that? You know more about my day than I do.
Maybe a little.
Can I ask a question? How long can I stay?
You can stay until your flight. So today until 4:10.
And can I come early, like at 8 in the morning, and then sit here all day?
No, sorry. You can come in 3 hours before your flight, not before that.
Only 3 hours? Why?
Because the room is small and the day is long. If everybody comes in the morning, there's no space in the afternoon.
That makes sense.
And some people try. They have a flight tomorrow morning and they want to sleep here tonight.
So the scanner isn't only for my name, it's for my time.
That's right. When I put your pass on it, I see your time, so I know if you're early.
You're watching me.
Only a little. You're all set. Please go in.
Thank you very much.
One more thing. If you want a towel, come back and tell me.
A towel?
Yes, just ask me here at this desk.
Okay. Thank you. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Sorry, it's taken. My wife is sitting there. She's getting a coffee.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see a bag or anything.
It's okay. That happens all day here.
This is my first time in a lounge. I don't know the rules.
There aren't many rules, but there's one thing you should know. Look at that chair over there.
The one with the jacket on it?
Yes, nobody is sitting there right now, but that seat is taken.
Because of the jacket?
Because of the jacket. A bag, a coat, a book on the table, it all means the same thing. Somebody is coming back.
Is it like that everywhere, in every country?
People do this at many airports. They don't say it, but they understand it.
That's good to know. I almost sat down on somebody's jacket.
And then the man comes back with his coffee, and you both feel bad.
Is anyone sitting here, by the way? This one next to you?
That one is free, but you won't like it.
Why not?
There's no plug. Look at the room for a minute. What do you see?
People. A lot of people.
Look at the walls.
Oh, every seat by the wall is full, but the middle of the room is empty.
Right. The plugs are in the walls. Everybody wants to charge their phone before the flight, so the wall seats go first.
And the middle seats go last.
The middle seats often go last.
My phone is at 7% now.
Then walk around slowly and wait. When somebody stands up near the wall, go fast.
Okay, I can do that.
Try the windows too. People forget about the windows.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Good luck, and don't sit on the jackets.
Hi, is this the hot food?
Yes, this side is hot. Chicken, rice, and soup today. The bread is at the end.
It smells good. Do I take a plate here?
The plates are right there. Help yourself.
Thank you. Can I ask you something? Is all of this included?
Everything on this counter is free, yes. The food, the coffee, the tea, the water.
There's nothing to pay for?
Almost nothing. We have some expensive drinks at the bar, the expensive wine, things like that. You pay for those. Everything else is free.
Good. My friend was worried about money.
Tell her not to worry. Eat, drink, sit down.
I will. I'm taking 2 plates. My friend is still looking for a seat.
2 plates is fine. Take 3.
2 is enough. One more question. Can I take it with me?
With you where?
On the plane. My flight is at 4:10. I'm hungry now, but I'll be hungry later too.
Ah, sorry, no. The plates stay here, and the food stays here. Please eat it in the lounge.
I understand. It's a rule?
It's the rule. Plates, cups, glasses, they all stay inside this room.
Okay. And the water?
The water is different. Do you see the small fridge by the door? You can take 1 bottle with you when you leave.
1 bottle. That's allowed?
That's allowed. It has a cap so it will not spill in your bag.
Does everybody do that?
A lot of people do. I stand here all day. People eat, they talk, they stand up, they walk to the door, and they take one bottle of water every time.
Now I feel very normal.
You are very normal. Enjoy your food.
Thank you. I'll come back for the bread.
David, over here. 2 seats by the window.
You found them. How?
A family stood up, and I ran. I'm not proud of it.
That's how it works here. This plate is for you.
Thank you. Oh, wait. Look under the table.
What is it?
A plug. There's a plug right here.
Then charge your phone.
I'm doing it now. 9%, then 7%, and now it's charging. This is a great day.
Now eat something.
This is really nice, but it's very quiet in here. Too quiet.
That's why people come.
I know, but I'm not used to it. Outside, in the big waiting room, there's always a voice. This flight, that gate. In here, there's nothing.
There's nothing, and there will be nothing.
What do you mean?
They don't call your name in here. They don't call any flights at all.
Wait, really? Nobody tells us when to go?
Nobody. It's quiet because people wanted quiet. That's the whole idea of this room.
Then how do people know?
You have to check it yourself. There's a screen on the wall, over there by the door, or you look at your phone.
So people miss their flight in here?
Every day, somebody eats, reads a book, feels comfortable, and the plane leaves.
That's scary. I'm going to look at that screen right now.
Go ahead. B6410.
Okay, let me find our flight. B6. B6.
Do you see it?
David, it says delayed in red letters.
Delayed? Let me look. 6:20. That's 2 hours and 10 minutes later.
But our meeting is at 7. We can't be that late.
No, we can't. Come on. There's a desk near the front door.
A desk? Shouldn't we go to the gate?
Bring your phone and come with me. Excuse me. Do you have a minute?
Of course, nobody is waiting. How can I help you?
Our flight is delayed. We were on the 4:10 to Chicago, and now the screen says 6:20.
Let me look. Yes, 6:20 now. I'm sorry about that.
We can't take that flight. Can you put us on another flight?
Let me check for you. 2 people?
2. David Reed and Erin Cole.
1 moment. Okay, there's a flight at 3:40. That one is earlier, not later. 2 seats are open.
3:40? That's in an hour.
In about an hour, yes. Would you like those seats?
Yes, please.
I'm putting you both on that flight now, and here are your new boarding passes.
Thank you.
Your gate is different. It's B14, not B6.
B14. Got it.
You're all set. Please be at the gate by 3:20.
That was fast. Can I ask you something? Don't I have to go to the counter at the gate for this?
You can, but you don't have to. I can do the same things here. The same computer, the same seats, the same boarding passes.
Everything?
At this desk, I can help with many flight problems. I can change your flight today. And look through that glass for a second.
Oh, there's a long line at the gate counter.
There is. When a flight is delayed, 100 people stand in that line. You walked over here and I said hello.
And nobody is waiting behind me.
Nobody. A lot of people don't know that we can do this, so they wait out there for an hour.
I know it, and it helps me every time I fly. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
3:40. We're leaving in 40 minutes.
So finish your coffee.
I'm finishing it. Oh, the water. The woman at the counter said we can take one bottle, right?
One bottle each. The small fridge is by the door.
I see it. One for me and one for you.
Thank you.
Can I tell you what I learned today? I want to say it before I forget it.
Go ahead.
1. If there's a jacket or a bag on a chair, that chair is taken, even when nobody is there.
Correct.
2. The seats by the wall go first because the plugs are in the wall.
Correct.
3. Nobody calls your flight in here, so you have to check the screen yourself.
That's the important one.
And 4. When something goes wrong, don't run to the gate. Come to the desk in here because there's no line.
That's it. You learned more in 2 hours than I learned in 2 years.
I had a good teacher. Okay, I'm ready. Where's the door?
This way. Past the front desk. Wait, hold on. Look at that sign.
Shower rooms. Wait, showers? In here?
In here. 3 or 4 small rooms, I think.
People take a shower at the airport?
All the time. If you fly all night and you have a meeting in the morning, you come here first.
Do you pay for it?
No, it's free. And they give you a towel and soap.
A towel. The man at the front desk said that word. He said, if you want a towel, come and tell me. I had no idea what he meant.
Now you know. You put your name on that list and then you wait. When a room is ready, they come and get you.
Look, there are 5 names on the list already.
There always are. Next time, let's come earlier.
Next time, I'm taking a shower and eating twice.
Let's go. Gate B14.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. When your flight is delayed, who inside the lounge can give you a new flight? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.